Never back down, never what?
Don't give up, Kring. I have to touch the dragon. See those rocks? Para talaga akong nag-rock climbing, guys. Alright! Hello! Masyado ma-alright naman. Wait lang, mag-intro pa ako. Now, andito naman tayo ngayon sa Hongwa Cave. Mami, ayaw niyang umakyat sa bundok. Picture daw siya sa horse, okay?
Way of the horse.
Siyempre, baka mamaya madulas ako, ngatawid-lupilok ako, hindi pantay-pantay. Kaya dahan-dahan ako. Hindi ka sure. It's the time. Ano ba yan? Sure ka talagang cream. Nag-let go na ako sa itsura ko, no, guys. Ang importante, tayo ay maka-experience ng mga bagay-bagay. And from here, we are gonna ascend to that peak. I'll be the one to ascend. It's giving. It's giving a beautiful scenery and a peaceful energy. We are starting our ascent at exactly 2:03 p.m. Let's see what time we are gonna reach the peak. Let's go. Okay, so I don't know how much longer I have to hike up. Ito na ang view eh. O diba hubad na si Kuya? Janet Jackson si Kuya. Hello. Hi. Parang nakakakita na ako ng konting pag-asa. Samahan niyo ako sa pag-akyat. Jabbar of the New Millennium ang atake. But the thing is, hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. May humahabol pa sa akin. Parang buhay lang yan. Hindi natin dapat magmadali. Dahil pag nakarating ka sa finish line, patay. The finish line of our lives is death. My first water break. They're actual literal children. So, I cannot give up. Meron siyang parang pagandahan ni Mayor. I really wanted to eat ice cream. Sino parang nakalimot ng wallet. Hindi ganun kainit. Pero ito matarik talaga. Medyo delikado.
Never back down, never what?
Don't give up, Kring. I am literally almost there. Look at the view. What? What is this? How is this real? I've made it to the top. So here, you can see the view. There. But it's not yet the top of the top. I have to touch the dragon. I've made it to the dragon. Yay! Woo! But it's super dangerous going up here because I'll show you how I got here. See those rocks? Para talaga akong nag-rock climbing, guys. More or less 30 minutes going up with proper breaks. Look at that view. Super worth it. So if you can, I really recommend that you go up here. Hang Mwa Cave. Ah, cave ba to? Ano naman to cave? Oh, may cave to, alam ko eh. Saan ba? Yeah, I'll try to go there as well. Hindi ka sure. But here, I'm okay. 30 minutes na din tayo dito sa taas. So it's now time to go down. It's exactly 3 p.m. And medyo mas delikado feeling ko yung pagbaba. So wala mo ng video until we get to the other side. See ya. Ito yung paakyat there. And I'm not even gonna try because I want to reserve my energy. We are back down. Woo! Ito tayo mga caves na hindi ko papasukan. Pas ako sa mga kuweba. But it took only 20 minutes going down. Proper pacing pa. It was a good hike. It was a good experience. Hulas na hulas. Mukha na akong kahapon. Kahapon. I will always remember this experience.